everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. I promised you from my last episode about the sayadeh rice that I will show you how to make Egyptian fried fish. So today I'm going to show you how to make the Egyptian fried fish. Let's start. My ingredients are 3 pieces of tilapia fish. And I have here half a cup of flour. I'm going to use it in frying. The marination for the fish is 2 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, salt, pepper, cumin, and this is the oil that I will use for frying. I'm using avocado oil today. So I will start with garlic cloves. Then I'm going to add salt. Pepper. Cumin. I'm going to turn it over on the other side and do the same thing. I'll just add the spices. Now I'm going to add the lemon. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour in order to absorb all the nice flavors. And then I'm going to put it here in the flour and then fry. I left the fish in the refrigerator for 1 hour and now it's ready to be fried. I put in my frying pan here a half cup of any kind of oil you like to fry in. I'm using avocado oil today. So I'm going to put the fish in the flour. Make sure it's covered with flour from all sides, as you see. Now it's ready. When it's brown, now as you see, this means it's ready. I'm going to remove it and put it on a paper towel. My family and I like it crispy, so we make it like brown color and not light. Now I'm going to show you how to present it. I have a bowl here with a fisherman's rice that I showed you in another episode. So I put the shrimp at the bottom and then the rice on top. I'm going to flip it over here. So I will put my nice dish where I'm going to present it, and I flipped it. Looks very nice and neat. And now I'm going to put my piece of fish. And then I'm going to decorate with some lemon slices. And here you go. I hope you like my episode today. I hope you can try it and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.